Good morning, guys. It is not market morning. It is a rainy morning. It's a raining morning. Rainy morning. Oh my gosh, say that 3 times fast. So I am off to get flowers, and it is super rainy. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to try to film the flower warehouse so you guys can see. After seeing these beautiful hydrangeas, I just knew that I had to work with them. And so here are the ingredients for our centerpiece. I'm going to be using some lemonade roses, some white daisies, some green carnations, some trick, and some beautiful anemones. They grow from bulbs. And I'm going to be using some greenery, also some lamb's ear, beautiful sunflowers to just divide up the greenery. Also, I was doing these centerpieces for St. Patrick's Day. So here we go. Let's create. OMG, so while trying to create, I got a thorn stuck in my thumb. Can you pull it out? Thank you.
It's easy to me.
Helping your mommy? Now I have to prep our garden for a final freeze because tomorrow morning I'm headed to the market. Hey guys, so it's market morning and it is a cold morning, but I'm super excited to sell today. Hopefully sales are good with it being spring break. It is very chilly out here, so we'll see. With this time change, I can feel it. I mean, waking up when it's super dark, it's like you can feel it. Although we just sprung forward 1 hour, you still feel the difference of losing an hour. It is cold. The car is looking super beautiful and packed, and this is our second trip as my husband takes the table, the stand, and other things the night before. So this is what I take market morning. So now we're at the market, and here is my setup. been a real good market morning and afternoon. Try to get some of these centerpieces sold and we'll see.
So it's market morning
morning, Sunday, and I was racing to the market because I left some flowers here, but we had a freeze overnight. So now I have to run and I was praying that they're okay, but I got to go see. I have some in the car that I took with me, but a lot of them I'd left here. So let's go see if they're okay. I was running low on bouquets, so here's one that I just made. This weekend was a success. I made a goal. I only had 2 mason jars and 2 bouquets left. Got to see some cool customers, and customers sent me their flower arrangement. If you're ever in search of organic herbal skincare, then visit our website at mypiece.shop. Also, if you're looking for affordable floral arrangements, visit All Things Flowers. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, and thanks again for watching.